Hi everybody. Today we discuss about objective questions in the lesson Our Earth in the Solar System. Number 1. Though tremendous heat is emitted by the sun, why do we receive only limited heat? Options. The sun is very far from the earth. The sun is very small compared to the earth. The sun is very close to the earth. Right option. For the sun is earth. Next. The planet known as the Earth twin is options Jupiter, Saturn, Venus. The right option is next. Which is the third nearest planet to the Sun? Options Venus, Earth, Mercury. The right option is Earth. Next. Blue planet is options Saturn, Mercury, Earth. The right option is Earth. Next. Various patterns formed by different groups of stars in the sky are called options Saptarishi, constellations, seven stars. The option is constellations. Next. A dash is a cellulose object made up of a head and a tail. Options asteroids, meteoroids, comet. Right option is comet. Next. The small pieces of rocky or metallic bodies which move around the sun are called options meteoroids, comet, asteroids. The right option is meteoroids. Next, the path in which the planets move around the sun is called options path, rotation, orbit. The right option is orbit. Next, the celestial bodies that move around the planets is called dash. Options satellites, asteroids, meteoroids. Right of satellites. Next, the layer of gases above the earth is called dash. Options atmosphere, biosphere, lithosphere. The right option is atmosphere. Next, in ancient India, galaxy was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. It was named options Akashganga, Shivaganga, Satyaganga. The right of Akashganga. They have their own heat and light which they emit in large amounts are called options asteroids, meteoroids, stars. The right option is stars. Next, the moon that we see in the sky is a dash to the earth. Options satellite, artificial satellite, natural satellite. The right option is natural satellite. Next, the most easily recognizable constellation is a group of seven stars. Options Pole, Saptarishi, Big Bear. The right option is Saptarishi. Next, in ancient times, people determined the north direction with the help of North Star. Is called dash star. Answer options Bright, Pole, Azra Major. The right option is Pole. Next, the dash is the closest star to the earth. Options Moon, Pole, Sun. The right option is Sun. Next, the surface temperature of the Sun is around Options: 6000 degrees centigrade, 7000 degrees centigrade, 8000 degrees centigrade. Right option is 6000 degrees centigrade. Next, all the planets move around the sun in a. Options: circular path, rectangular path, elongated path. Right option is elongated path. Next, asteroids are found in between the orbits of options: Saturn and Jupiter, Mars and Jupiter, Earth and Mars. Right option, Jupiter. Next, the sun is about dash million kilometers away from the Earth. Options: 250, 150, 350. Right option is 150. Next, dash lakhs Earths can fit inside the sun. Options are 12, 13, 11. Right, 13. Next, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are dash planets to the sun. Options: outer, farer, inner. Right of inner. Next, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called dash planets to the sun. Options: inner, closer, outer. Right option is outer. Next, our solar system is a part of the Milky Way or galaxy, which is part of the dash. Options: solar family, universe, celestial body. Right option is universe. Next, up to dash, there are 9 planets in our solar system. Options: 2007, 2006, 2005. Right option is 2006. Next, the dash planets are large and made up of gases and liquids. Options: outer, inner, nearer. The right option is outer. Next, Earth is the dash nearest planet to the sun. In size, it is the dash largest planet. Options: second, fourth, fifth, third, third, fifth. The right option is third, fifth. Next, Jupiter is the dash and Mercury is the dash planet. Options: biggest, smallest, smallest, biggest, nearest, farthest. The right option is biggest, smallest. Next, dash is the first planet to the sun. Options: Earth, Venus, Mercury. Right option is Mercury. Next, Earth-like shape means dash. Options: globe, bulge, geode. Right option is geode. Next, the sunlight travels at the speed of about dash kilometers per second. Options: 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Right option is 3 lakhs. Next, the solid outer layer of the earth consisting of rocks and soils, known as options: atmosphere, biosphere, Lithosphere. The right option is lithosphere. Next, the light of the sun takes about dash minutes to reach the earth. Options 9, 7, 8. The right option is 8. Next, man-made satellites are called. Options: artificial body, natural body, rotational body. The right option is artificial body. Next, HSAT is a dash satellite. Indian, American, European. Right option is Indian. Next, Indian satellites in space are IRS INSAT, EDSAT, all the above. Right option is all the above. Neil Armstrong and the American astronaut were the first man to step in the surface of the moon on options 21st July 1979, 21st July 1989, 21st July 1969. The right option is 21st July 1969. Next, dash and dash do not have any satellites. Options: Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Mars, Uranus, Neptune. The right option is Mercury, Venus. Next, the moon is about dash kilometers away from the earth. Options: 3,85,500, 3,84,400, 3,83,300. The right option is 3,84,400. Next, the moon moves around the earth in about dash days. Options: 25, 26, 27. The right option is 27. Dash launches satellites into space for its launching station at Sriharikota. Options: ISRO, EDSAT, INSAT. The option is ISRO. Next, the moon takes time to complete one spin in dash days. Options: 37, 47, 27. The right option is 27. Next, the former chairman of the ISRO. Options: Satish Dhawan, Dhawan Satish, Satish Dheeraj. The right option is Satish Dhawan. Next, the ringed planet is options: Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn. The right option is Saturn. On dash 2014 Mangalyaan Mars orbiter mission launched by the Indian Space Research Organization. Options: 24th September, 24th October, 24th August. The right option is 24th September. Halley's Comet 1986, which comes close to the Earth every dash years. Options: 86, 66, 76. The right option is 76. Next, the sphere of water. Options: hydrosphere, biosphere, lithosphere. The right option is hydrosphere. Next, the farthest planet to Sun. Options: Neptune, Saturn, Jupiter. The right answer is Neptune. Next, the fourth planet to Sun is options Venus, Mars, Jupiter. The right option is Mars. Next, the layer of life on the Earth. Options atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere. Right option biosphere. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you want any topic like this, make a comment.